Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. What's your name?
Good.
Okay, how old are you? I'm 3. Very good. Where are you from? I'm from
Vietnam.
Whoa, how are you today? I'm
Happy.
very good. Let's start new. Okay, what's this cake?
Blue.
Wow, this one.
Red.
Red, this one.
Circle.
Circle, this one.
Triangle.
Triangle, this one. Red.
Rectangle.
Okay, this one. Square, this one.
Orange.
Orange, this one.
Yellow.
Okay, this one. Blue. How about this one?
Chair.
Chair, very good. This one.
Nose.
Nose, this one.
Ear.
Ears, very good. This one.
Robot.
Robot, this one.
Dog.
Dog, yeah. This one. Okay, what's this?
Sword.
Shirt, very good. How about this one? Shorts.
Sword.
Shorts, this one.
Blue.
Blue, this one.
Red.
Red, and last one?
Circle.
Circle. Okay, so that's our speaking test, okay? Very good.